Hey guys, this is Malavar TC1. I'm doing the Subjugation of the Giant Bird event. Let's go right into it. This is for Star Ocean Anamnesis. Oh, what's wrong? There's something that's going on. Is that a black hole? Are we getting sucked into another area? It looks like it could be something that the AI is telling us is different. Hey, do you guys need me? I've been here this whole time and you never asked me anything. Celine, what's up? But it's okay. I don't know what's going on. But maybe you could help us figure out what this black hole is all about. Oh yeah, I could totally do that. That's totally cool. Whatever. Check out my tattoos. Pretty awesome hole right there, huh? Black hole. What? That didn't explain anything. So this is where it led. How'd you know it would go here? You see, I kind of know these things. What, do you doubt me? I mean, look at this. Do you not understand what I was asking? But it's okay. Where are we at? Hey, what's going on over here? I see that there's some new people here. Oh, they've come. It's glad. Who are you? Are you Sarah, of the bird people? What? No, I'm not a bird person. I'm an angel. An angel? Oh, what do you mean by that? Calculating data. What is an angel? It's obviously someone who's a celestial being. Well, sort of. I know this person too. Like, we work together. Oh, hey, how's it going, Celine? Oh, me? I'm doing fine. How are you doing, Sarah? Well, this is quite awkward. You guys know each other? From, like, across space and time? Well, it's not quite like that, you see. Do you understand what I'm telling you? It's all good. We know each other for a long time. She's been here before. Oh. Like, how'd you guys meet? Well, it's quite a funny story. Do you want to hear it? I mean, we could have all day, but you'd have to play an entire... Oh, don't tell him everything, Celine. What is that? Yes, we love each other very greatly. Wait, love each other? What do you mean by that? Like, are you guys romantically involved? No, it's not like that at all. We're just really playful. What the? Okay, let's go into the actual little thing here. Let's grab Celine for the first round, and we'll attack with her and see what her moves are. Woo! Okay, let's go over to her. Let's see, she's got some thunder damage. Boom. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Check out that one. It's like balls coming from the ground. Man, I wish I got one of them. Did two 10 balls. Next one. Bzzz. Looks like thunder. We'll just see what that last one is in the last round. Ooh, yeah, it's that same move. We've seen that one before. That's nothing new. Oh. Okay, purple coins, they're back. Start collecting those purple coins. No longer the gotcha box. And if you beat it, I think it's 30 times or something, you get like a stamp for it, so that's pretty great. Okay, let's go with her. You beat the last level, I think. The highest level you get 30 times, you get a stamp for it. Okay, let's go over to Sarah. Okay, it's a buff for everyone. That sounds good. It's a nice little buff. Round 2. What do we got here? Like a wind thing. Nice. She shoots a wind beam. Nice. And then finally, 95. Ooh. Okay, so it's an ultimate heal, sort of. That's the 95. Let's try it again. Let's look at it. Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay, let's go on to do one more level. Because there's more story, and then there's probably the boss. Hey, could you guys help us take out this giant bird on this island? Yeah, what's it look like? Well, it's like right over there. It's this huge, giant, flightless bird. Yeah, we're pretty good at taking down things. It's like a hunt. Ow. There it is. It's the giant bird. Hurry, get it before it kills us all. Run for your lives. Whoa, it's not that big. I mean, why'd you bring us over here? Look, you guys can take care of it. I'll just run this way. That's funny. Okay. Yeah, we'll grab Celine again. I'll let my team take care of it, and we'll do some thunder moves with Celine. I like my team. I've still got some I'm working on. I'm working on Evileesh right now to have as my healer, but you know, I love these moves. Look at this one for... Oh, look at all those little birds coming off the Raimi. Oh, wow. Looks so good. Okay, Celine. Get back to Celine. Okay. Look at all that thunder. Nice. And then finally the giant bird. I still like the orbs coming out of the ground. That looks the coolest, I think. Because we've always seen the other one before. Oh, he's got the wind move too. Like Sarah. Bzz. Kill him. Look at that bird though. It looks crazy weird. It's like a dodo bird of the extreme. Let's see her special if we can get to it. Yeah, let's check out the specials. Rush start cup. Ooh. Crazy cool. Okay, it's almost dead. Perfect. I like that special. That looked awesome. Of course, the coins go up the more you do the levels. So, yeah, best of luck in getting all of them. And we'll finish up with the little story here, and I'm sure it will just continue for the bird going as part of the story over and over. We did it! It was so big! Oh yeah, that's the giant dodo birds. You guys had this all along. Yeah, we believed in you. I mean, like, sorry I ran away, guys. No, it's fine. Like, in the end, you actually helped us out. Yeah, I don't want to say anything. What do you guys think? Whoa, whoa, don't be so mean. She's trying her best. I mean, come on. She's trying her all. Running away. So it looks like everything's worked out for the best. That's right. Can we join you? We'd be so glad to help you on your trip. You can come back anytime too, right? Come back? Why would we come back to this place? I mean, we took care of everything we need to do, right? Well, it's not like that. It's just that there's more. More what? Birds? Birds? Yeah, I mean, that would be the only reason, right? To come back? To take down all the birds and hunt them all? What do you think, Malavar? Yeah, I mean, why would we come back otherwise? I mean, we could hunt more of those birds and get some more skins. Or are you too afraid, Celine? Because, I mean, we could show you a little bit more if you want. No, it's good. I'll help. I'll be here. Yeah, it's fine. Good. Then we're glad to have you aboard on our team. Well, this was quite weird, but we got some more people. It all worked out for us, didn't it, Malavar? Good job. So, why are you going on your trip anyways? What's the plan in the long run? Well, the plan in the long run? Well, we're searching the stars for all the planets and we're trying to get back home. Trying to get back home? You must be lost. It's okay, though. I mean, you found us. It's great to be part of this planet, isn't it? Seems that you guys work together. Yeah, well, I know this place all for a while now. Well, it was glad to meet you. And don't run away anymore from any enemies, got it? Stop bringing that up. You guys are funny. Glad to be here. Whoa, whoa. What else did you want to say? Oh, is that a bird doo-doo? That's hilariously big. Oh, that's nasty! Sword Art Online, Star Ocean Anamnesis, 4 characters now available. So, yeah, that's it. Please like and subscribe. This has been Malavar TC1. Thanks.